Welcome to Kaumudy Global. Medicines save lives, but improperly manufactured or poor quality medicines can take away lives. Deaths of 66 children in the Gambia, a small West African country, after consuming certain cough syrups has sent alarm bells ringing in health sectors across the world. However, the Indian government has started an investigation into 4 cough syrups manufactured by a Haryana-based pharmaceutical firm after the World Health Organization warned that they could be linked to the children's deaths in Gambia. Top sources in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said the WHO alerted Drugs Controller General of India about the cough syrups on September 29th. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization immediately took up the matter with the Haryana Regulatory Authority and launched a detailed investigation. The syrups have been manufactured by Messrs. Maiden Pharmaceutical Limited in Haryana's Sonipat. They added that as per the information available at this point, it seems the firm had exported these products only to the Gambia. By the way, the company is yet to respond to the allegations. The firm's administrative office in Delhi's Pidampura was found shut the other day. The WHO has warned that the syrups may have been distributed outside the West African country and a global exposure is possible. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus told reporters the other day that the 4 cold and cough syrups have been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and 66 deaths among children. Sources from the Indian government said the exact one-to-one causal relation of death has not yet been provided by WHO. They added that the WHO is yet to share the details and photos of labels confirming the manufacturer of the products. As per protocol, any drug exported from India is tested by the recipient country. The question is, why was the contamination not detected during testing in the Gambia? According to the WHO alert, the 4 products are promethazine oral solution, Cofex Malin baby cough syrup, Macof and Magrip N cold syrup. To date, the stated manufacturer has not provided guarantees to WHO on the safety and quality of these products. The laboratory analysis of samples of the products confirms that they contain unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol as contaminants. Those substances are toxic to humans and can be fatal. The toxic effect can include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, inability to pass urine, headache, altered mental state, and acute kidney injury, which may lead to death, the WHO alert said. On Thursday, Gambian authorities began collecting paracetamol and promethazine syrup from rural households in West Coast region and Upper River region. Meanwhile, a Gambian Health Ministry investigation, which began in July and is ongoing, also cited the E. coli bacteria as a possible cause of the acute kidney failure outbreak. In India, death of 17 children were reported from Jammu and Kashmir in 2020 after consuming another brand of cough syrup contaminated with the same diethylene glycol. In another incident, at least 3 children died in New Delhi last year after consuming a cough syrup with dextromethorphan, one of the components present in one of the 4 syrups flagged by WHO.